my gosh, it's the last video of the school year. What? Seriously? Last video? We can do this, guys. Let's do it. Let's power through this. Learn about cube roots today. Learn about cube roots. So, let's power out. Let's do this. Let's, have some fun. Yes, guys, math is fun. Page 74. Finding cube roots. The pencil keeps breaking. Woohoo! Finding cube roots. So let's do this. Turn to page 74. It's our last page, guys. And you can look and see, we almost used all our pages. I think I have about 15, 16 pages left. No, sorry, 26 pages left because of the 100-page notebook. So I know we can do this. So we're going to be finding cube roots and square roots. We already found square roots. Let's find cube roots now. So we are working with radicals and integer exponents. So our last page, guys, we're going to call it Finding Cube Roots. It's my last page, guys. I know we can do this. Let's power through. Let's get this. 8 EE 1.2. So let's start with a cube. So I'm going to draw a cube, guys. How you draw a cube is you draw a square and another square like this. Right, connect your sides. Connect, 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 and connect. So if you watch that again, watch how Miss Stevens did it. I'm going to tell you my volume is 343 inches cubed. I know volume is all these sides multiplied together. So let's multiply the sides together. And I want to see, guys. So I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to have to keep guessing and checking. So I'm going to show you guys a button. And you guys really pay attention to this button, okay? And this is where it's a little bit harder. There is a button right here above the YX button. It has an X squared Y. So I can zoom in a little bit to kind of show you guys that. Right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to push 3 XY and then 343 equals. No, it did not work that way. Let's show you the other way. Sorry, 343. Second, YX, 3. There you go. So Miss Stevens, different calculator, so I'll do it again one time. 343. Second, push that button, then push the power. I want the power of 3. Or cube root of 3. So, my side is 7 inches. Let's try letter B. Draw it again. Draw a square. And then we're going to draw... Oh, this one did not work that way. Sorry, guys. It likes to dance on me. So, move it down a little bit so you guys can see a little better. I'm going to draw another square right here. Connect the sides. There you go. One time my volume is 125 meters cubed. So I'm going to know the side times the side times the side. So how long is the side? Let's go to your calculator. 125. You're going to push second YX 3 and you get 5. So your side is 5 meters. We're going to talk about what a cube root is, guys. What's a cube root? So a cube root is defined as the following. Cube root. A cube root is defined as the following. The cube root of a number is a number that when multiplied by itself, and then multiply it again by itself, multiply itself again equals the given number. Oliver, no more barking, baby. Come here. So I'm going to write like this. So I'm going to ask you, what's the cube root of 8? So I want same number 3 times. This number times this number times this number. Well, let's see. 1 times 1 times 1? No. So it's 2, 2, and 2. So cube root of 8 is 2. Let's talk about a perfect square. What is a perfect square? Perfect cube. Sorry, guys. Perfect cube is what I meant to say. Perfect cube is number that can be written as the cube of a number. And we're just going to just talk about, we're going to just use integers to help us out, but I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 3 times 3 times 3, 27. Guys, you guys can check on your calculator too. Alright, might just do something. 4 to the power of 3. Whoa, why did that? Oh, sorry. 4 to the power of 3, 64. 5 to the power of 3, 125. 6 to the power of 3, 216. 7 to the power of 3, 343. 8 to the power of 3, 512. 9 to the power of 3, 729. 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. That's all it did. Power of 3. So, this is how we write the cube root, guys. Looks like this. Cube, and then it has a square root like this. So this represents a cube root. So now we're going to find the cube root. Find the cube root. So, A. So now this one, guys, we could actually do negatives because remember, it's 3 times. So, 27 second. Oh, sorry. 27 negative. Second, this button, 3, is negative 3. Guys, try this next one on your own. See if you guys can do it. It's going to be the cube root of 8 over 64. Well, if I go to my calculator, 8, ABC 64, I push second, YX3, it gives me this. Gives me 1/2. 1/8, which is 1/2. Let's just check that. So the cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of 64 is 4, which is 1/2. It was right. Let's try this one. Cube root of -27 over 1,000. Well, go to your calculator, guys. 27 negative over 1,000. Well, won't let me do that. Huh. Interesting. I don't know why it won't let me do guys 1,000, but what I would do is then, I would do 27 cube root 3 -3. And then 1,000 second cube root 3 10. So -3/10. I want to try at least 2 more with you guys. Let's try this one. 18 minus 4 cube root of 8. So 18 minus 4. What is the cube root of 8? Correct, 2. So 18 minus 4 times 2 is 8. So your answer is 10. Oh my gosh, almost a lost problem. So remember how before we wrote this rule right here? We're going to write it again. So I'm going to say third. You have to get a 3 in the front. So make sure I did my 3 in the front. Yes, I did. If you don't put that 3 in the front, it's going to be a square root. So if you do this, these cancel out and you're left with just A. So I'll help you guys out. Cube root of, let's do 27 to the 3rd power. That would be, look, I'm going to show you the other way. So it's 3. And what's the 3 to the 3rd power? Just 27. So the smart thing would just be just grab this number out. So here's our last example. Letter E. Cube root of -64 to the 3rd power plus 43. Well, look. The number I just said is these cancel out. You're left with just this. So -64 plus 43. Go to your calculator. Last problem. Let's see if we can do it. -64 plus 43. -21. Guys, thank you. Thank you guys. Like I said, guys, for being awesome. Thank you for doing everything, guys. I'm really proud of you guys. It has been a great year. I guess that some of you I've seen grow up from little 5th graders to come to 6th graders, scared. I don't know what to expect. I'm proud of you guys. I know you're going to do a great job in algebra next year. Our notes are done. Our class is done. Miss Stevens is choking right now. Our class is done. Our notes are done. We're done with 7th grade. We have no more notes. Summer's here. Hopefully we can still do stuff. But I'm really proud of you guys, and I hope you guys have a great summer. Please know that my door is always open. You guys can always reach out to me. You guys have my phone number. You guys can call me. You guys can text me. You guys just know where my classroom is. Stop by and say hi. And like I said, guys, I really value you, appreciate you, and thank you for being a great 7th grade class. Bye, doggy. Bye.